Since generative AI burst into the mainstream in 2022, one company has dominated the conversation: NVIDIA. Its chips power ChatGPT, AI data centers, and many of the world's biggest artificial intelligence projects. That helped NVIDIA become the first company in history to cross a $5 trillion market valuation. But now, Apple has reclaimed the top spot. The iPhone maker has overtaken NVIDIA to become the world's most valuable listed company, with a market capitalization of about $4.95 trillion ahead of NVIDIA's $4.77 trillion. And the interesting part is this: Apple did it without matching the AI spending spree of its big tech rivals. So how did it catch up? The answer lies in two very different AI strategies. NVIDIA sells the infrastructure behind AI. Its graphics processors, or GPUs, power the large language models, cloud platforms, and data centers driving the AI boom. Apple, meanwhile, isn't trying to build AI infrastructure. Instead, it is betting that AI will make its existing ecosystem of iPhones, Macs, iPads, and services even more valuable. In simple terms, NVIDIA sells the tools that build AI. Apple sells the devices people use to experience it. So why has Apple moved ahead? The biggest change is in investor sentiment. For the past 2 years, markets rewarded companies that spent aggressively on AI infrastructure. Now, investors increasingly want to know whether those enormous investments will generate sustainable returns. That shift has put pressure on some AI infrastructure stocks. This week, NVIDIA's shares fell after reports suggested it was discussing financial support for a massive OpenAI-backed data center project in Ohio. The reports raised fresh questions about just how expensive the next phase of the AI boom could become and who will bear the cost. Apple has taken a different approach. Rather than building massive AI infrastructure, it has kept capital spending relatively disciplined while focusing on on-device AI backed by its private cloud compute platform. Its strategy is to make existing products smarter rather than compete with cloud providers. That doesn't mean Apple is falling behind in AI. The company continues to expand Apple Intelligence across its ecosystem, adding AI features while keeping much of the processing on users' devices. For investors, the story is no longer just about spending the most on AI. It is increasingly about turning AI into profitable products and services. And for now, Wall Street believes Apple's ecosystem gives it an advantage. The AI race isn't just about building the biggest models. It is also about building a business that can generate lasting returns from them. Follow Business Standard for more stories.